62 liter per second. Six-meter height. The pump. "62 liters per second. This is what we wanted to show it to you, that after switching off of the motor, still the pump runs. This is what is the technology. For this, we'll be getting in 1 megawatt, we'll be getting so much of water pumped in that most of the farmers in this sector, wherever there is requirement of energy, they will be beneficial. The government of India and the farm sector will benefit through this technology. Wherever we want, we can generate electricity in standalone energy storage systems. Standalone energy storage systems is the very important aspect for power generation in a limited area with unlimited energy. See here, you can see the pump is getting rotated. The pump is pumping water and the flywheel is getting rotated. See, in this angle you can see both the things very clearly. So this is my workshop where we are doing it, and you can see simultaneously this thing is getting this way. So this is the most beneficial thing for the farm sector. Kindly understand, where there is no electricity, we can pump water. We don't require solar, we don't require wind, we don't require thermal, we don't require nuclear, we don't require biogas, biomass or dam or any other technology. This is a technology where it supersedes all the technologies, and still you are having in a positive area that without taking any input, the electricity what we are generating is, once the motor is switched off, after the motor is getting switched off, still it is running. That is what we want to show to you. This is the innovation. This is the real innovation, where there is no solar, there is no wind, there is no thermal, there is no hydro, there is no nuclear, there is no biogas, biomass. Whatever technologies you are speaking is of no use in this regard. This is a farmer friendly, nation friendly, atmosphere friendly, nature friendly and free electricity. This is what the system is. We are going to take this to the next level if we are getting an opportunity to contest in the participation, and then if the people understand it positively, then India will grow very, very fast. We can challenge any country. No country is having this technology, and this is patented technology. This is a purely patented technology, having fully copyright system. So I'm switching off this because it will take another 4 minutes for this video. So it is better to switch off. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking. But okay.